Hello everyone, welcome to Edukemy's YouTube channel. My name is Richa and in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the frequently asked questions that how to keep yourself motivated and focused during this UPSC preparation. So as we all know, this UPSC is a cycle of at least 1.5 years, and yes, for some of us, it takes more than that. This cycle thus requires a lot of persistence and willpower. Why? Because it demands you to spend on an average 7 to 8 hours on a daily basis. Hence, I would be sharing with you some important pointers on how to keep yourself motivated and focused during this UPSC journey. Okay, so let's get started. So, the first very important point is know your own strengths and weaknesses. There are many aspirants who start preparing without knowing their own strengths and weaknesses. So, I'll give you one example here. For example, if I'm good at a particular subject and weaker in other, what I'll do, I'll keep reading the subject which I'm good at. It is just to give a sense of completion. ठीक है? It is just to give a sense of completion कि okay, फिर से ये subject complete हो गया. But what will happen? This will keep delaying the acceptance of your weaknesses. And this is not going to help you. Why? So what we have to do, we have to start working on weaker areas, and yes, simultaneously keep sharpening your stronger points or your strengths. So this is the first point. Now the second is make a routine and timetable. Yes, why routine and timetable is important? Because it will give you a sense of direction and it will make you more disciplined. And this will also help you to track how far you have come. Okay, that is why making timetable is very important. Now the next is take one day at a time. Yes, you have to take one day at a time. Do not need to take burden of your goal. What you have to do, you have to break your entire preparation into mini targets. Okay, you have to break your entire preparation into mini targets like monthly targets, weekly targets, and weekly targets into daily targets. What will happen? This will make your goal look more achievable. Okay. Now the next is reward yourself. Yes, you should reward yourself. Once you complete your weekly targets, once you complete your monthly targets, you should reward yourself. And reward could be anything which makes you feel happy, like going out for a movie with your friends, going out for a good lunch, for a good dinner, or chai पीने ही चले जाओ. ठीक है? So yes, you should reward yourself. And the next is take small breaks. Yes, don't forget to enjoy a little during this preparation because it is very obvious that you may feel tired while studying continuously. So do activities which energize you like painting, listening good music, watering plants, etc. And yes, there is no harm in taking small breaks. Why? Because it's ultimately going to help you because it will increase your efficiency. This will increase your productivity. That is why taking small breaks are important. Now the next is stay healthy. Yes, this is mandatory. There is no other option. You have to take good care of your health because an unhealthy body and mind is not going to cooperate with you on the examination day and during this preparation. So keep exercising on the daily basis. Daily basis पे नहीं हो पाता, alternate days पे करो, walk पे ही चले जाओ, ठीक है? And eat healthy and take good amount of sleep. Okay? Now the next is be in a right environment. Yes, being in a right environment is very important. Please surround yourself with good friends who gives you positive vibes. And another important thing is keep your room more organized and neat because that is the place where you're spending almost whole day. Okay, so keeping your room clean is very important, and please be surround yourself with good friends who gives you positive vibes. Okay, now the next is keep faith. This is very important. You have to keep faith in yourself. Why? Because we all know this UPSC journey is not very easy. So here you may feel range of emotions from one extreme to other. So what you have to do, you have to keep faith in yourself. This is very important to keep moving. कुछ भी है, confidence break हो गया, you are trembling, it's okay. You have to keep faith in yourself and keep moving. Okay. Now, the next is remember the reason why you have started. Yes, you have to keep reminding yourself that why you have started this preparation, why you wanted to be a civil servant. Whenever you feel low, you have to keep reminding yourself कि आपने ये start क्यों किया था. Okay, so here I have discussed almost 9 or 10 pointers on how to keep yourself motivated and focused during this UPSC journey. Brief में ही किया है. So I hope this video helps. And yes, to know more about such videos, please hit the bell icon. And I'm wishing you all all the best, and thank you so much.